This is Julius out here at Flatwater Lake. I want to show you guys a new construction home that we got going on. We already got the foundation laid. Got our lumber package here, waiting on the framers to show up. Get this thing going. It's definitely going to be like a 4,000 square foot house out on the lake. This is a pretty big deal for us. First time doing a lakefront property. And yeah, just thought we'd give you a quick glimpse at what we do out here. Hey guys, how you doing? It's Julius again, Davis Contracting. Check out our job site over here. See the framing behind me. New construction home out here in Valley, Nebraska. Let me turn it around so you guys can get a picture of everything. Got the framers doing their thing. It's gonna be a 4,000 square foot house. Making it happen.